Hey, it's Aran here. In this new Zenler tutorial, I'm going to share with you a one-on-one Zoom call that I did with my client Marcy, who gave me permission to record this session and share it as a tutorial on my YouTube channel. Now, this tutorial is specifically on how to set up Zenler Mail, which simply means connecting your custom email address, i.e. contact@aranbukai.com, as opposed to your Gmail address, which in my case will be aranbukai@gmail.com. And connecting that custom domain email address to New Zenler, integrating it with your domain provider using several records. And the reason you want to do that is you want to basically let your domain provider know and Zenler know that Zenler knows, okay, this domain owner is like the rightful owner. And you want to basically give that permission to Zenler to send emails on your behalf using that custom email address. So this is a very important step in the housekeeping process of setting up your new Zenler website. And this also helps deliverability of your emails. This gives you the highest chance of having your emails arrive at people's inbox. So you want to do that as one of the first things that you do with New Zenler. And one thing that you should be aware is that this can be a little bit techy. This tutorial will walk you through exactly how to do it. But if you do want one-on-one help to actually do it, I have a virtual assistant team that actually does it with people on Zoom. And you'll have a virtual assistant or somebody on Zoom with you who will literally tell you, click here, click here, click here, and actually walk you through this step by step. So if this tutorial you feel is not enough for you, just so you know, there is also an additional option where you can actually book a time with one of our virtual assistants to actually get it done for you and with you. So you can check out the link below in the description. All of that will be explained on that page. So you can either do it in my tech support membership or just pay a one-time payment and get it done. With that said, let's dive right in and share with you exactly how to do the steps. Hopefully you could do it on your own. It is very simple. It's just a copy and paste process. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll go ahead and share my screen, take you over to the Zoom call that I did with my client, Marcy. So go to Namecheap.
Namecheap. All right, let me move you over here. Namecheap right here.
Yeah. And then scroll down a little bit. And this is the correct domain?
Yep.
Perfect. So scroll down a bit.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now go back up just a tiny bit. Good. So now go back to Zenler.
And here's this.
Yep. So copy the first one.
This right here?
Yeah, under the host. Yeah.
Okay. Under host. Okay.
Yep. And then go back to Namecheap. And then add, yeah, so click on the A record.
Yep.
And then change that, scroll down on that drop down to CNAME. CNAME record. Yep. And then paste in that, what you
Into
just copied.
host.
Host. Yep. And then go back to Zenler. And copy the second one next to it. The value on the right.
Oh, sorry. All right. This one.
Yeah, correct.
Under value on the same thing. Okay.
That's right.
And go back to Namecheap.
That's right. And then paste that in on the target.
Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. There we go.
Now click on the check. Click on the check. Yep. What does it say there on the red?
Go say it again.
No. What does it say? Does it say something on the red? No.
Nope.
Click on the automatic again. And make it 30 minutes. And check. Click on the check again. Okay. Click on add new record. And then go to CNAME again. Drop down. Yep. And then go back to Zenler. Copy the second one.
This one?
Yep. Go back to Namecheap. Paste it on the host.
Host.
Yep. Go back to Zenler. Second one.
Sorry. Yep.
Yeah. Copy that one on the right. Yeah.
This one.
Go back to Namecheap. Paste it
Put it
in.
in target.
Yep.
Okay.
Make it 30 minutes in automatic.
And check.
Yep. And then click on add new record again. See name, yeah.
Name, yeah.
Go back to Zenler. Copy that third one.
The third one here.
Yep. Go back to Namecheap, paste it in on host. Yep. Go back to Zenler, to name. Yep. Copy the last one.
This one.
Yep.
And I'm going to, okay, yeah, sorry.
Paste it in.
30 minutes.
And save changes. And click on the save changes at the bottom as well. Yep. Okay. Now go back to Zenler and click check that I've added these records.
Okay. And I think I have to check each record, or no, just I've added these records, verify.
Verify.
Failed.
Yeah, that's okay. Sometimes it just takes a few hours.
Okay. Oh yeah, because we put 30 minutes in there anyway. So we did this the other day, which hopefully, all right, well, that was easy enough, but this will be a good tutorial for the rest of us.
Yeah, it's painful to try and do it on your own.
Yes. All right. So I'll just thank you so much, and I will let you know if anything.
In an hour, do it again. And then if no joy, send an email to support, Zenler support, and CC me.
Okay, wonderful.
Thanks a lot for watching the Zenler tutorial, really appreciate it. So if you want to check out new Zenler, if you haven't used it before, go to tryzenler.com. It will give you an option to create a free account where you can actually play around with it and take it for a test drive on your own. When you do that, also send me an email to contact@aranbukhari.com, and if you decide to actually sign up and become a paying customer for Zenler, I'll send you a bunch of bonuses that are actually going to help you get your website up and running as soon as possible with my help. And if you're already a new Zenler customer, then go to aroundfunnels.com/Zenler in case you want to get some extra help from me personally to actually help you with your website. And also there's a bunch of bonuses there that you're going to be able to download to get prepared for what you want to get done. That's about it. If you have any questions for me about new Zenler, any tutorials you want to make, anything like that, leave a comment below. And of course, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll speak to you soon.